In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on Canva AI Studio. We'll be going over all the features it has to offer and how to use them. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. To access Canva AI Studio, we simply need to select Canva AI on the left sidebar. We will now see a prompt box on the top of the page. On the prompt box, you will see a variety of different options. If we click Design for Me, it will bring up a bunch of other items you can get it to design. So we can get it to design things for social media, create a presentation, create marketing material, cards and invitations, logos and much more. You can also look at the bottom for more examples. To test this out, I'm going to select presentation, then I'm going to type create an educational presentation about the planets in our solar system. Use one slide per planet, include the planet's name and image and key bullet points. Make it visibly engaging, clear and easy to understand for a general audience, then press enter. In the matter of seconds, Canva has now come back with 4 different presentation options. We can look through each of these to see which ones we like. If we click Use Canva Editor in the top right, we can make manual changes to the presentation. We can also present the presentation from here. If we click Share, we can download the presentation. Going back to Canva AI Studio, if we select Create an Image, we are able to generate high quality images from prompts. We can select the style of image, so I'm going to go for minimalist. Then we need to choose the aspect ratio of the image. I'm going to go for 1:1. Now we can enter our prompt, so I'm going to type a single bonsai tree in a white ceramic pot placed on a smooth wooden table in front of a plain beige wall. Soft neutral lights cast gentle shadows. The composition is spacious, uncluttered and serene, with a focus on balance and simplicity in a minimalist style. Then press enter. It has now come up with these 4 extremely realistic, high quality images that perfectly match what we described in the prompt. If we click into any of these, we can view the exact prompt that Canva used to generate this specific image. At the bottom, we can see the resolution, which is 1200 by 1200 pixels, but if we click Boost Resolution, Canva will reprocess the image in a much higher resolution. As you can see, it is now 2400 by 2400 pixels. If we click Open in Editor, Canva will open the image in a new tab where we can add things such as text and make other changes. Going back to the generated images, if we hover over any of these, we have the option to download it. Moving on, next to create an image is draft a doc. This allows us to use Canva to draft a variety of different documents. We can view all these different types of documents by clicking type. As an example, I'm going to select blog post, then type write a blog post about how to look after a bonsai tree, then hit enter. Canva has now written a full, visually appealing blog post about how to look after a bonsai tree. It has included headings, subheadings, bullet points and all necessary information. Moving on, the next option is Code for Me. As expected, when this is activated, Canva is able to code things for you. To demonstrate this, I'm going to select one of the examples at the bottom to build an interactive menu for a restaurant. It has now filled out the prompt box, so I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, Canva is writing the code on the right. I'll be back once this is done. Canva has now come out with an interactive menu. If we select show code, we can see the code that was used to create this. Now for the last option, we have create a video clip. When selected, we can choose a style, so I'm going to go for cinematic. Then for aspect ratio, I'll choose 16:9. For duration, I'm going to go for 8 seconds. For framing, I'll go for wide shot, and for lighting, I'm going to pick soft lighting. Now we can enter our prompt, so I'm going to type a slow cinematic pan across a foggy forest at sunrise. Soft golden lights filters through the trees, mist drifting gently between tall pines. The camera moves slowly, creating a calm and atmospheric mood. Then I'll press enter. Canva has now started generating the video. I'll be back once this is complete. It has now come back with this. It has done an extremely good job of creating what we described in our prompt, and it looks extremely realistic. We can download this by clicking the button at the top. If we click Use Canva Editor, it will open the video in Canva's video editor where we can manually make changes to it. That's all we have for this video on Canva AI. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.